Good morning, children. Let us see the key for the first assignment. What is photosynthesis? First question. What is photosynthesis? Give the balanced equation for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction. Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction. Is a photochemical reaction in which carbohydrates are produced from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now we have to give the balanced equation for photosynthesis also. 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to sunlight, chlorophyll. These two are very important, children. If you doesn't write on the arrow mark, you will lose 1 mark. So be careful while writing this equation. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H. This is the balanced equation for photosynthesis. Second one, who discovered the maximum rate of photosynthesis? Engelmann discovered the maximum rate of photosynthesis. Who discovered the maximum rate of photosynthesis means he used a strand of algae for his experiment where he exposed that strand of algae to a VGR, visible light, and when he exposed that, the bacteria which are sensitive to oxygen, they accumulated surrounding the blue and red lights, where in that blue and red lights maximum rate of photosynthesis will be occurring. Okay, next one, third one. What are the events occurring in photosynthesis? First one, there are 3 events occurring in photosynthesis. Conversion of solar energy to chemical energy. Conversion of solar energy to chemical energy. Second one, splitting of water molecule. Third one, reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrates. Reduction of carbon dioxide to form carbohydrates. So these are the 3 events occurring in photosynthesis. Next, fourth question. What is saprotrophic nutrition? The nutrition in which organisms depend on dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic nutrition, and examples are bacteria and fungi. Is called saprotrophic nutrition. Example is fungi. Bacteria. Bacteria also you can write. If you want, you can write the bacteria also. Fifth question. Fifth one, what is mesophyll tissue? What is mesophyll tissue in plants? Mesophyll tissue consists of palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Mesophyll tissue consists of palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Next, sixth question. What is the use of KOH in carbon dioxide experiment? KOH absorbs carbon dioxide in the bottle. KOH absorbs carbon dioxide in the bottle. Seventh question. Why the plants have to be destarched? Destarching means removing the starch. That means removing the food from the plants. The plants should be destarched. The plants should be destarched before the experiment to get the clear result. Otherwise, if it doesn't destarch, the food will be present in the plant and that food may give blue-black color which indicates the starch. So, before conducting the experiment, we have to keep the plant in dark room for about 3 or 4 days. Then only the entire food present in the plant will be utilized by the plant. Automatically, if it is utilized, then we can conduct the experiment and we can get the clear result also afterwards. Next one. Eighth question. Describe the nutrition in amoeba with the help of a neat labeled diagram. Okay. First, let us draw the diagram. So, this is a unicellular organism, amoeba, which does not have a particular shape and it lives in water. Whenever it absorbs some food material in the water, it forms finger-like structures like this called pseudopodia, like this, surrounding the food material. Here inside cytoplasm will be there in the amoeba also. So surrounding the food material, when it absorbs food material in water, it forms pseudopodia. These are the pseudopodia which are formed from the amoeba like this. So these pseudopodia will engulf the food material and form the food vacuole like this. Engulf the food material and form the food vacuole like this. And inside the food vacuole, the food will be digested and the entire food will be absorbed into the body of amoeba by a process of diffusion. So by a process of diffusion, the food will be absorbed by the entire amoeba and the undigested food will be thrown out from some part of the, like this, the undigested food will be thrown out. So in this way the diagrams of amoeba will be there. Now coming to the nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba takes food with the help of pseudopodia. With the help of pseudopodia. With the help of pseudopodia. And forms food vacuole. Food vacuole. Digestive enzymes will be released in food vacuole. Will be released in food vacuole. To digest the food. By diffusion, it goes to the entire cell. By diffusion, it goes to the entire cell. By diffusion, it goes to the entire cell. Then undigested food will be thrown out by breaking the cell membrane. Then undigested food will be thrown out by breaking cell membrane. So it is a type of holozoic, one of the heterotrophic nutrition, where we can observe that amoeba takes the food. Paramecium also is unicellular organism which takes the food with the help of cilia, just like amoeba. And the only difference between paramecium and amoeba is paramecium has a mouth but amoeba has no particular mouth. In paramecium, cilia are helpful for taking the food. Cilia drag the food material into the mouth, which is called the cytostome in the paramecium, but there is no particular mouth in amoeba, and through that part only it will take pseudopodia, only it will take the food material. Next, 9th question is, light harvesting complex is formed by dash number of pigment molecules. 250 to 400 pigment molecules. 250 to 400 pigment molecules. Last one, the number of species of Cuscuta are 170 species of Cuscuta twining. Cuscuta is a parasitic plant which belongs to the family of Convolvulaceae, and it contains about 170 species of particular Cuscuta. It obtains food. In it, the leaves are reduced to spines, and the plant is a twining parasitic plant where it it twines on the host plant, and with the help of haustoria it will spread the haustoria into the xylem and phloem of the plant to obtain the food and water. That is the end.